Hey kids, it's Santa Claus. It's getting to be the holiday season, and I thought we could have a chat. How about we unpack my Santa sack and look at some Christmas gift ideas? We will learn some new words along the way. First, we have a football. Maybe you can throw the ball in the backyard with some friends. Football games in the snow are always fun. Next, we have a beautiful necklace. This necklace will look great on you for the New Year's party. Let's have a look at this shiny new smartphone. You can play games, text with your friends, and keep in touch with mom and dad. Kids, look at this. It's a new laptop computer. A laptop computer will be great for learning new things and doing your homework. What do we have next? Maybe you can kick and score a few goals with this brand new soccer ball. We might just see you in the next World Cup. Wow! How about this? An electric guitar. Strum the strings and write some songs with this fantastic-looking guitar. For little sister, a cute little doll. A perfect companion for tea parties and adventures. Okay, kids, it's time to get creative with some colorful art supplies. Think of the things that you could create. You can color a Christmas tree, or maybe draw a picture of Santa Claus. Next, we have some exciting board games. Enjoy quality time with family and friends over the holiday season playing your favorite board games. What do we have here? A brand new camera. You can capture special moments with a camera that is just your size. Next, we have a magical television. Watch your favorite movies and shows on this shiny new television. For little brother, how about a fire truck? This red toy fire truck, complete with sirens, will save the day. Okay, kids, is your Halloween candy gone? Let's fill those stockings with candy for the whole family. Let's not forget about Mom. I bet she might like to try on this beautiful new blue dress. Next, we have a fancy new watch with a stylish red strap. Perfect for keeping track of the time so you're not late for school. Kids, let's not forget about dear old Dad. This power drill will surely keep him busy working on projects around the house. Christmas wouldn't be complete without a huggable teddy bear. Teddy will be your loyal companion for snowy holiday nights. Dive into a world of adventures with lots of books to read. The magic of storytelling awaits kids. Stay stylish with this cool baseball cap. What do you think, children? Would Santa look good in this cap? Lastly, one final surprise. It's a playful puppy, your new partner in adventure. This little fella will fill your days with laughter and love. These are just a few of the many gifts I have for you this Christmas. May they bring joy, happiness, and lots of fun into your life. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to all.